Staff Selection Commission (SSC) is an organization under the Government of India responsible for recruiting candidates for different posts in various ministries and departments of Government of India and in subordinate offices. SSC conducts a combined graduate level (CGL) exam every year for recruitment in Group B non-technical and Group C non-gazetted posts. The CGL Tier-1 exam is an online computer-based objective type exam consisting of 100 questions to be answered in 60 minutes. Time extended to 20 minutes more for physically challenged candidates. The number of posts offered is different every year depending on the number of vacancies generated. Expected vacancies can be around 8,000 to 9,000 for this year. Exams for entry into government exams has also been a mode of preference for candidates. However, the strict mode of eligibility criteria must be borne in mind before you even contemplate taking this exam. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and we at Youth for Work will discuss the eligibility criteria for this exam. The eligibility for applying for SSC CGL Tier-1 is graduation from a recognized university. The age limit is 20 years and upper age limit is 32 years. Although age relaxation for applying for SSC CGL Tier-1 depends upon different categories. For SC or ST it is 5 years, for OBC it is 3 years, for PH it is 10 years. We at Youth for Work would like to share the exam pattern for SSC CGL Tier-1 exam. SSC CGL Tier-1 consists of 100 objective type questions which carries 2 marks each with a time limit of 75 minutes. Every incorrect answer will fetch you minus 0.5 marks that will be deducted. It is divided into 4 sections. Reasoning, it consists of 25 questions carrying 50 marks. Quantitative aptitude, it consists of 25 questions carrying 50 marks. English language, consisting of 25 questions carrying 50 marks. And general awareness, it consists of 25 questions carrying 50 marks. SSC exams are a tricky affair given the mode of operation and checking. Also, the fierce competition can quickly get you out of contention. So I, Siddhartha Sareen at Youth for Work would like to share a few tricks and tips that would greatly increase your chances. Read up on current affairs to increase awareness. Practice reasoning questions to develop a knack of not falling in the trap. Negative marking gets you at your best. So be aware and solve what you are 100% sure of. Lastly, take a lot of mock tests. For that, I would recommend the Youth for Work developed app known as Prep Guru. So if you find our info relevant, please like, share and comment on our channel.